Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today at Cherokee Lockpicking. Today for Stock Lock Sunday I have this vest padlock, and on the back says safety first. I have the operating key, but I do not have the control key. And I've been trying to get it to pick it to control so I can make one, and so far all I can do is get it open. That's not always easy either. So I'm going to try to get this open to control, and if I can't, I just get it open. It's Stock Lock Sunday. Hope everybody's doing well. This pick I'm using is from Wes Picks, and I've used it to open a few locks now. I think I have them scheduled. Have not been posted yet, but they're coming. I got this camera rolling. I probably won't be able to get this thing open, right? I'm gonna reset. Got a little ahead of myself there, I think. Well, it's been raining here for 4 days now, and we've been blessed with rain. I love it. Forest is growing, getting so green. The trees are getting their leaves. Sky is beautiful. Now we click on one. This lock doesn't talk to you a whole lot. This one you have to listen to it. A little quick. I believe that was probably 4. Hope you all can see. Gotta turn my light on. Look at that. Might help a little bit. I'm gonna try ordering a light on the internet so I can see better. This one runs off a battery. That's not worth 2 cents. Dies really quickly. Better than nothing though. But that's a click on number 6. I like the profile of this pick. The upsweep on it. Don't really know. Sturdy. Forget the name. I think this. I'm gonna have a look on Wes station again, see what he said about this one. These are my first, I have two from him, and they're my first custom picks. And he does very good work. He is in the UK. Nice person. Great channel. I'm gonna check in on him. One of these pens is holding me up. Which one? There we go. Well, it opened, but I just can't quite seem to get it to control. Doggone it. One of these days I will. And when I do, I'm gonna put it on camera. I'm gonna make another key for the control, and we'll have a nice operating lock. Thank you for joining me today. Have a beautiful Sunday. Bye-bye.